Hello, we continue to chapter 18, and which is talking about the student t-test. Most of them is used when the sample size is less than 60. We have to use a student t-test. And let's look at this example, the humerus bones example. And this example is we have collected data for new duct bones in this file, and we want to see this new duct bones is belong to the same species A. We want to check if it's different or the same, and we want to see the alpha level in this question given us. We want to use 99% confidence interval. That means the alpha we will use is equal to 0.01. And let's take a look of this example. We just open that data file. So that's the data file. Get this one. Take a look of this data file. So that's the data file we will have. And so we use a templates. This is called the t-test templates. T-test templates. We have on this templates we have one sample t-test, two sample t-test, and a paired t-test. They are all in the same file. And let's look at this one. On the first thing, I just clear all the inputs on this table. I just did try this one. So because we there is this one is with data, so actual data is copy pasted on the first column, same as before. This is the length to width ratio. And this one, once we copy this data over here, so you can see that's all the data here, it will automatically count how many data in these columns. That's 41. The sample mean and the sample standard deviation is all calculated. This value is not correct yet because we haven't entered the population mean. That's mostly we use population mean here, but in this case we want the species A mean value. So we put these values in here is 8.5, and then the alpha level we just talked about, we want 0.01. And the same as we want to check if this one is two-tailed or one-tailed. So that's the null hypothesis is equal to, and the alternative hypothesis is we want to see not equal. So we insert symbol not equal, insert. Okay. So this one is basically we will determine which p-value we will choose to do our answer. So that's all the values we calculate. So the t-test values is 4.0303, and the p-value, since it's two-tailed, and we get this value 0.00024267, and then the confidence interval 8.75 to 9.77. Let's look at this result from our notes. So that's basically the calculated statistic of sample size 41, mean value, standard deviation are always the same as we in the Excel. So t-test value is 4.031. This is a hand calculated value, and this one is very close to our results. Let's put these results on these sides. And then continue with this one. We get a p-value two sides, so we have the 0.000242. Remember the Excel, we have 0.002426. That's very close. And another one is the confidence interval 8.75, 9.77. And this is also the same result in this Excel file. We get 8.75, 9.77. And then next we just for this question, so we continue to answer those questions, interpret the test statistics, and then we do the conclusions also from the confidence interval